Hare Krishna and welcome to this commentary style video on Flashcard set 1B part 1. And this is lesson 2 of the Deshpande companion. And the focus here is once more new verbs, present indicative, and the objective is to translate each English clause into a Sanskrit verb. So let's start with base card 1. You two know. And before we do the Sanskrit, we observe here that we have parentheses here, and this indicates that we should translate the pronoun you too as nothing, really. I mean, it tells us that we should not use a pronoun in the Sanskrit, but we should treat this English you too as coming from inside the verb, or indicated implicitly by the verb ending. So this tells us that we should use the dual number for the verb, and that we should end up with bodhata. Bodhata. I stand. And here once more we see the parentheses surrounding the English pronoun I, and that tells us that the I is coming from inside the Sanskrit verb, so we should not use a separate Sanskrit pronoun when we do this translation. Alright, so the Sanskrit would be Tishtami. Tishtami. They two run. Dhavata. Dhavata. You drink. Pibasi. Pibasi. We go. Gacchamaha. Gacchamaha. You all lead. Nayata. Nayata. And here we note that in the Sanskrit here there is a number 1, so the translation directive for the Sanskrit, if we want to retranslate to English, if we start with this Nayata 1, we will end up with the lead. You all lead. But if we would have a number 2 down here, then we would have take up here, right? So, but now we start with the lead, so the only possibility here now, when we don't have any more synonyms or alternatives for lead into Sanskrit, the only possibility is to say that it equals nayata 1. I fall. Patami. Patami. You all eat. Kadata. Kadata. You remember. And this is the singular. Once more, it's not the plural, it's not the dual or anything. It's just singular. So you remember. Smarasi. Smarasi. He sits. Sidati. Sidati. They two sit. Sidata. Sidata. They abandon. Tyajanti. Tyajanti. Thank you very much for watching, and Hare Krishna, Hare Rama.